forecast.
All right, 52 is our current reading at the airport. Made it up to 59 this afternoon after a cold start this morning, down to 26. And some of the outlying areas were not only around 20, a few dipped into the upper teens early this morning, but a nice rebound this afternoon. 43, the current reading at the Valley Airport there in Weir's Cave. 56 your afternoon high. Some other numbers at this hour, you have 46 in Madison, 44 in Palmyra, same there in Livingston, 49 currently in Waynesboro. Temperatures tonight generally in the mid to upper 20s for most locations. Still cold, but not quite as cold as it was this morning. Now, as we move into the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday, maybe you're an early riser, you might want to check out the annual Geminid meteor shower set to peak after 2 a.m. That's because the waxing gibbous moon may obscure some of the meteors before that, but then after it sets until dawn, might check it out, perhaps as many as 50 plus per hour. As far as temperatures tomorrow, similar to where they were today, mid to upper 50s, lots of sunshine. And as we go through the rest of this week, we're talking about well above average temperatures. There may be a little fluctuation on Wednesday with a warm front lifting through. It'll be a bit breezy and a little bit more cloud cover. And then we jump into widespread 60s here for Thursday and Friday. We may carry that into the start of the weekend. Of course, it's been a dry autumn now for the calendar year thus far. At Charlottesville's Albemarle Airport, we've seen just under 34 inches of moisture. Average to date would be nearly 40 inches, so a current deficit for the year now stands at over 6.3. Large area of high pressure dominating the eastern seaboard, of course, in the wake of that devastating storm system that impacted 8 states and the tornado outbreak across that portion of the country over the week, late Friday and the start of the weekend. Now, a new system's gearing up. This one is producing some beneficial rain, some mountain snows from the Cascades, the Sierras, the Northern Rockies, and this energy is going to peel out across the Rockies into the Plain States over the next several days, and we'll follow its movement as we get toward the end of the week. You can see that little push of milder air down here across the southern Plain States and into the Mid-South. That will be shuttled in our direction, especially as we get past Wednesday. But in the meantime, these are still above average temperatures for most locations. Temperatures in the morning will start in the mid to upper 20s. Lots of sunshine, a beautiful Tuesday, 55 to around 60 for the afternoon high. We move into Wednesday morning, temperatures either side of 30. More cloud cover will build in on Wednesday. That in association with a developing warm front. Temperatures still in the 50s, could become a bit breezy as winds shift more out of the south and southwest, and then we're in the 60s here as we go through the late week. Temperatures tonight about 25 to around 30 under mostly clear skies. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast for this week. A familiar pattern with a few exceptions where above average temperatures will continue and dry as well. We get into Friday, there will be some showers around. That next front may linger through the weekend, so we'll follow that. Temperatures will chill back down by Sunday and early next week. Next week looks a little chillier and maybe a storm system to watch first part of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We'll be right back.